Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card on your LG V30, as you can see on right here. So your SIM card slot is going to be on this side right here. You'll need a pin to pull it out. Usually it has in the box, or you can use earring or something like small like this just to stick it in and pull it out. So once you stick it in, you can just pull it out easily. And here's your memory card and SIM card. Everything is here. You can just take it out and you can see which way to install it back in. It's really easy, and it shows right here which way to install the SIM card where it has a cut, so it's really easy. So once you remove, you install it back in, SIM card, and stick it back in the phone this way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye bye.